Reverend Andrew Gituda, in conjunction with St. Mark's Aglican Church, Seattle, Washington, USA, invites you to an annual Interdenominational Conference 2024, starting from the 24th of July to 29th of July 2024. This conference will be held at 31218 Pacific Highway South, Federal Way, Washington, 98003. The guest minister will be Bishop Dr. Margaret Wangari from ACF Church all the way from Banana, Kenya, and Speaker Reverend Dr. Mwangi from Arizona. And not forgetting Reverend Ann Kamau of Family Hope Church, Kenya. The order of the service during the conference is as follows. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, conference will start from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. On Thursday, the 25th of July, conference will start from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. On Friday, there will be a revival meeting starting from 4 p.m. all the way to 9 p.m. and thereafter to a worship experience starting from 9 p.m. to midnight. On Saturday, there shall be a leadership seminar from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and later to revival meetings starting from 3 p.m. all the way to 9 p.m. On Sunday, main service will kick off from 11 a.m. all the way to 2:30 p.m. and thereafter to a revival meeting from 5 p.m. all the way to 8 p.m. Gospel music ministers led by St. Mark's Praise Team, Teresa Eric the Worshipper, Sherry Polly, Susan Saidimu, and Jane Leah will grace the occasion. The theme of this conference is derived from the book of Lamentations chapter 3 and verse 40, which says, "Let us examine our ways and test them, and let us return to the Lord." We invite you all to come and experience the goodness of God like never before. There shall be healing and restoration, redemption and deliverance from the yoke of our adversary, and your life will never be the same again. We have enough tents, and therefore seating arrangements are well catered for. All are welcome. This information is brought to you by Pacific Waves Television USA.